Let's talk about something called Styles. Now, Styles works in most Office suites. It does work in Google Docs, but it's kind of difficult to get it going. So I'm just going to talk about LibreOffice and Microsoft Office today. So LibreOffice Writer, Microsoft Office Word. So what are styles? Let's say I have a heading and I want to make all my headings bold, okay? Well, I have to go do that to every single heading. That's fine. But now let's say I want my headings to not be bold. I got to go back and click all three headings and unclick bold. Now, what if I use styles? I'm going to use heading 1. I'm going to hit styles. I'm going to call it heading 1, which has its own style, but don't worry about that right now. Styles, heading 1, styles, heading 1. Now I've got all these headings. What if I want to change all of them at the same time? Well, I can click. So what I'm going to do, I want to change what headings look like. I'm going to right click heading 1 and click modify. Now, let's say I want this font color to be always red, okay? I want there to be no highlighting. What else have I got? I want it to always be in the center. And I can't find, I want it to always be underlined, single underline. All right, I click OK. Look, all of this whole document, the headings have all been changed at once. Because why? I use styles. I call them heading 1, which you shouldn't confuse with these titles, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. I just changed the style for heading 1 and it changed all my headings. All right, that's so easy. Makes it easy to edit documents when you want to change what they look like. Let's do the same thing in Microsoft Word. We're going to change heading 1. We're going to look at the styles pane. Okay, the styles pane, it's right here, right on default on Microsoft Office Word. Click it. Now I get some options for styles. I want to make heading 1. I want to use heading 1 style. Heading 2, heading 1 style. Heading 3, heading 1 style. Okay. Now I've got the styles. Now if I want to change what all these headings look like, I can click here. I can click modify style. And just like before, I say I want them all to be centered and I want them to be underlined. I want the color to be orange, and I can change any number of other things, right? So now I click OK. All my headings are changed. You can do the same for your default text. You could have default text and then another type of text when you're quoting someone that's italicized, when you're making long quotes, and you could change that style. But look, styles make word processing easy. They're hard at first, but if you use them, then you can change your entire document's look just by using the styles. All right, guys, don't forget, click the subscribe button, like down below, subscribe, click the subscribe button, and click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button because that lets you see a new update every time I make a new video. Toby out.